Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study at home like a library. First, let's create your ideal study sanctuary. Choose a dedicated, quiet space in your home, perhaps a corner of a room or a spare desk. Make sure it has excellent lighting, ideally natural light, and a comfortable chair to support good posture for hours of focused work. Eliminate all potential distractions, like your smartphone or open social media tabs, to maintain a productive environment. Next, let's focus on minimizing distractions to truly replicate a library's quietude. Consider using noise-canceling headphones to block out household sounds, creating a personal bubble of silence. Communicate your study schedule to family members, asking for uninterrupted time, perhaps for 2 to 3 hour blocks. A clean and organized study space also significantly reduces mental clutter, allowing for better concentration and a more efficient workflow. Now, let's adopt some effective study habits to maximize your home learning. Establish a consistent daily study schedule, aiming for at least 2 to 3 dedicated hours. Implement the Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute focused bursts followed by 5-minute breaks, to maintain high concentration. Remember to take slightly longer breaks, perhaps 15 to 30 minutes, after every 4 Pomodoro cycles to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Finally, let's talk about leveraging resources to enhance your home study experience. Explore online academic databases and digital journals, which offer a vast array of information, much like a physical library. Consider joining virtual study groups to collaborate with peers, fostering a sense of community and shared learning. Always set clear, achievable goals for each study session, perhaps completing 2 chapters or solving 10 practice problems, to ensure productive and directed effort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.